Ow. Yeah, so I can explain. You can see where I took it off the tree. Upon rewatching the footage that led to this, there are two major factors that attributed to the accident. Not good. While I'm extremely happy that no one got hurt, the monetary damages and time I'll need to spend to fix this could have been avoided. As the seasons are transitioning from late fall into early winter, the ground was covered in layers of water, followed by decomposing leaves, and repeat that for about 3 layers of nature lasagna. It is unlike the regular hard-packed dirt and rock that we are used to in northern Pennsylvania that is very predictable, as the point of losing traction is pretty linear, and you can feel the point at which any more speed or throttle will cause your tires to break free. This leafy goodness is the kind of greasy, slick sludge that you only get in heavily wooded areas as the fall leaves begin decomposing in winter. And it's only been more prolific as the weeks continue. Top it all off with plenty of dry leaves for the top layer, it breeds the worst kind of conditions for riding with any amount of spirit, as you'll have all the traction you need until you don't. The point at which traction is lost is nearly instantaneous, and you never get that snap back to traction that you're expecting. You can even see it in the video. I was expecting it to snap back around here, and when the tree continued to get closer, I grabbed a fistful of brake and a panic rear brake, but it was too late. This combined with my rear tires that look more like drag radials than knobbies. I oversteered right into Mother Nature. Overall, the bike got away pretty well. Only damage was on the lower right A-arm, as it's clearly bent with some of the powder coat cracked. Interestingly, I couldn't even find any evidence of material failure. The aluminum tubing and the welds look fine after careful examination, as it's a pretty malleable material. You can see where the A-arm meets the frame that it is clearly bent backwards, but overall, I think I got away pretty well with this one. The point of this video wasn't to monetize my admittedly uneventful crash in the grand scheme of riding culture. I mean, I see worse wrecks every day. Have you seen how the GNCC racers bring their bikes back to the pits?
Watch out, Johnny!
Talk about riding hard. My goal is to explain that pushing the limits of your riding ability and breaking things is a part of the fun, and it's the only way to get faster. I can't say I'm thrilled to have to buy a new A-arm. Oh man, really? It's just aluminum, Honda. Ugh. But ultimately, I look forward to fixing it and learning more about my 400X. And hey, for now it still rides the same. The only thing I should do is tweak the steering a tad, as it's no longer on center. When you encounter a hiccup in your riding journey, you can either sulk home and put the quad in the shed and rot away, only to sell it 10 years later on Craigslist as a project. Or you can go for a ride, clear your head, and remember why you bought your bike in the first place. And that's exactly what I did. It snowed a few days later, and I couldn't pass up the ice and snow-covered terrain even with a bent linkage. Well, guess we'll go for a ride. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, my God. Oh, we out here. Oh, no. Well, more speed. I need more speed to get up that the swing arm and she's bottoming out. Oh, that's not going to be enough. Okay. Woo. Talk about cutting close. Let it be known that because of that, it was pretty obvious that this was the first non-utility quad up here since the last snow. Because they had the snow packed down, but not the center. They have more clearance. I have like 6 inches. I kind of want to go that way. I bet it's going to be the same issues. Oh no, we're good. was close. It was almost frozen solid. Well, not almost, you know what I mean. It almost didn't even crack. Oh, wow. I don't know what's up there. Think I can make it? Oh, my goodness. Oh. Ah! Neutral! Ooh, that was close. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. They handled that better than I expected with the super slicks on the back. Ooh, there's another one. Alright, now I'm just off the grid. Oh. Now I had a good run. Oh my god. Is there a tree? Oh, there is a tree. It actually bent right back. Nice. I'm in a pickle. If I can just get it to where it's not going to rest on the plastics, I'll be happy. Okay, cool. That's the other side of the plastics. Not really what I was going for, but you know. Now, all right. New plan. It's probably just gonna sit there. Yeah. There we go. Why do I do this to myself? Are there any more trees? No. Well, there's lots of trees, but none that I'm probably gonna hit. Oh, changed my mind. Oh, false neutral. You know, every time I'm out, I say I should buy tires, and then every time I don't. Look at these babies. They're like maybe a quarter inch. Oh, this is a mess. It's crazy because it's all about momentum with this thing. Yeah, case in point, gotta get over this. Turn this way. I need power steering. There we go. Now, if she doesn't slide into this tree, we should be good. But I also don't want to push it over that last log because it might just start barreling down the hill. And then with my luck, I'll just bend the other A-arm. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm done trying my luck. Pushing these things around is a workout. There is nothing more humbling than having to manually push your ATV or your dirt bike anywhere. It is so humbling. You don't realize how heavy those things are. Well, on the plus side, you can bend the other swing arm. Oh, this berm, man. Ooh. Oh, wow. It's like ice that somebody rode through hard. Wow, they fixed all this. This used to be super bad, too. I'm pretty excited to hit this berm, you know, because the last time I hit a berm, I kind of did that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So, fun fact. This is the 100th video uploaded to this channel. If you liked what you saw and you made it this far, please be sure to leave a like, as it helps the channel grow and lets me know you like what you're seeing. Don't be afraid to comment any suggestions below, or if you'd prefer, you can DM me on Instagram where I'm at JellyForSale. Thanks for watching, and keep the rubber side down. Oh man, okay. Worst part of this time of year? My quad goes to the back. Gotta keep the bad boy with the plow in the front. Ugh. like to only start it outside. That way all my neighbors know when I start it.